Hello friends, welcome to Trade YouTube channel. On this channel I talk about SaaS product reviews, online money making, internet marketing and technology. So in this video I'm going to do a product review. So I'm going to talk about the headphones that are on-ear headphones from JBL T. So the model name is JBL T500. The cost of this product is around 3,200 rupees in Indian currency. So I bought these few days ago. So it's not a long-term review, but I found some pros and cons of this product. And if you're considering to buy any headphones in the range of 2,000 to 3,000 rupees, then this is going to be a good video for you to take a look at. Okay, so now talking about the build quality of the headphones. The build quality is not that great. It's basically very cheap plastic they have used. So the cushion is not that much. The cushion is available only in this portion. Talking about the weight, so it's very light in weights. So maybe that compensated, the cheap plastic may have compensated for very low weight of the product. Also the battery, talking about the battery, you can charge, they support fast charging, they claim to support fast charging. So basically you get 1 hour of play time for just charging for 5 minutes. So if you charge it for like 2 hours, then you will be getting 16 hours of play time. So that is okay compared to its competitors like Sony that provides 35 hours of play time. It's comparatively low. Maybe the battery inside is smaller, that also compensated for the low weight of this product. Talking about the sound, for 3,200 rupees I found that the sound is not that great. People say like it's by JBL Harman sounds, and they claim like they have some great signature, Harman signature, but I found it to be a normal vocals. Basically the bass is definitely good, but you know the vocals are like you get that cinematic voice. You don't get that focus voice inside the vocal to enjoy the music, but they are not that bad basically. But I found that the Sony ear headphones are providing more good quality. The competitor, like if you are looking for other competitor in this range, you will get Sony CH5110 category, that is around 3,500 rupees, I would say. And the black earphone is around 2,500 rupees. So you can definitely take a look at that. So that one thing is there. The buttons are over here for taking your calls, also increasing the volume. There is one power button. There is another inside its charging port and a USB port. So that is there. And talking about the problem that I faced recently, so I bought it like few days back. The thing that I've found is that I cannot hear this wear this for long time, right? So my head start paining, my ears start paining. So I talked to the customer support and I complained, and in fact I am planning to replace these headphones. So let's see what they talk about, like if there is any default, if there is any fault inside the product, or I am facing it. But I am not able to listen to a long time, even half an hour I cannot listen to them. My head start paining and my ears start paining. So I don't know but I never faced before wearing other earphones or headphones, right? So that was the one thing that I wanted to talk about. Another point is about the voice is the foldable. Yeah, so one thing is like they are very much like you can just wear them, go somewhere, you can put it like this. So they are these are adjustable. So that is the one good thing about these headphones. They are on-ear headphones. That means they are going to stick on your ears. They are not going to over your ears. So that you need to consider. So I have found that over the ears are more comfortable for long hours listening to the music, right? So that was the review. Let me see another thing if I have anything to cover. So yeah, that's it. So if you are looking to buy this, I would say go for Sony or both, they are much cheaper, and they are also offering, you know, good quality of music. The JBL this time disappointed me basically, but they are above average. I would not say they are extremely bad, but if I was given an option between Sony and JBL at this range, I would have gone with the Sony. So I will see, or both. So I will see you in my next video. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching.